Have you ever noticed that some people feel calm and in control just because their surroundings are organized? Psychology shows that our environment has a direct effect on how our brain feels and functions. A clean and peaceful bedroom can reduce mental stress and help the brain start the day calmly. Natural morning light is linked with better mood and improved mental alertness. A structured environment helps the brain process information more easily and with less effort. Organized spaces improve focus by reducing unnecessary visual distractions. Clutter creates visual overload, which increases pressure on working memory. This makes the brain waste energy on irrelevant information. In psychology, this is called environmental influence on cognition. Your surroundings can often reflect your internal mental state. That's why environment plays an important role in shaping daily thinking patterns. According to behavioral psychology, small habits build strong discipline over time. Organizing things increases your sense of control over your environment. This creates positive reinforcement in the brain. Each small action tells your mind that things are manageable. This increases self-confidence and self-efficacy. You start seeing yourself as someone who is in control. This idea is supported by cognitive behavioral psychology. It reduces mental chaos and improves emotional stability. Over time, these habits shape personality and mindset. The brain has limited processing capacity, explained by cognitive load theory. Clutter increases unnecessary mental pressure. This is called extraneous cognitive load in psychology. The brain starts processing too many visual signals at once. This reduces the ability to focus on one task effectively. Working memory becomes overloaded with unnecessary information. As a result, mental efficiency starts to decrease. Decision-making becomes slower and less accurate. This often leads to mental fatigue and stress. Identity is not fixed, it is shaped through behavior over time. According to psychology, repeated actions build self-concept. Your environment influences how you see yourself. Organizing space also organizes the mind. Disorder often reflects internal confusion, while order reflects mental clarity. The brain learns from repeated habits. Small disciplined actions reshape identity. Over time, you become what you repeatedly do.